Shanghai, China, a city that seamlessly blends tradition with innovation. From the glittering skyscrapers of Pudong to the historic lanes of the Old Town, Shanghai offers a captivating tapestry of experiences waiting to be uncovered. In this in-depth travel guide, we'll delve into the heart of Shanghai's allure, highlighting its most iconic attractions and hidden gems. Ascend to new heights at the Shanghai Tower. Prepare to be awestruck as you ascend to the observation deck of the Shanghai Tower, the tallest building in China and the second tallest in the world. Marvel at the sweeping views of the cityscape below as the bustling streets of Pudong stretch out before you like a futuristic panorama. Wander along the historic Bund. Step back in time as you stroll along the historic Bund, Shanghai's iconic waterfront promenade. Admire the stately colonial-era buildings that line the Huangpu River, each one a testament to Shanghai's storied past as an international trading port. Don't miss the opportunity to capture the perfect photo of the city's skyline illuminated against the night sky. Explore the charms of the French Concession. Discover the eclectic blend of East and West in the leafy streets of the French Concession, Shanghai's former French colonial enclave. Lose yourself in the labyrinth of alleyways and tree-lined boulevards where hidden cafes, boutique shops, and art galleries await around every corner. Take a leisurely stroll through Fuxing Park or explore the historic residences along Wukong Road for a glimpse into Shanghai's past. Indulge your senses at Yuan Garden and Bazaar. Step into a world of tranquility and tradition at Yuan Garden, a peaceful oasis nestled amidst the bustling streets of old Shanghai. Meander through the meticulously landscaped gardens, adorned with elegant pavilions, koi ponds, and ancient rockeries. Afterward, immerse yourself in the sensory delights of the adjacent Yuyuan Bazaar, where the aroma of traditional snacks and the chatter of local vendors create an unforgettable atmosphere. Escape to the serenity of Zhujiajiao Watertown. Venture beyond the city limits to Zhujiajiao Watertown, a picturesque ancient village crisscrossed by winding canals and stone bridges. Explore the narrow lanes lined with traditional tea houses, temples, and centuries-old homes, and embark on a leisurely boat ride along the tranquil waterways. Lose yourself in the timeless charm of this historic enclave, just a short distance from the bustling metropolis of Shanghai. Whether you're a culture enthusiast, a foodie, or a seeker of adventure, Shanghai offers something for everyone. Join us as we embark on a captivating journey through the heart of this dynamic city and discover why Shanghai truly is the jewel of the East. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration.